Hello, little buddies. Welcome to Little Learner's Toyland. We're so happy you're here. Get ready for exciting adventures. Welcome to our fun animal adventure. Today, we will learn about 100 amazing animals, from the farm to the ocean, the jungle, and beyond. Let's start with farm animals. Farm animals help us in many ways. Let's meet some friendly animals that live on the farm. Cow. The cow says moo. Cows give us milk and love to eat grass all day long. Donkey. The donkey says hee-haw. Donkeys have long ears and love to eat hay and grass. Pig. The pig says oink oink. Pigs have cute curly tails and can find yummy food with their noses. Sheep. The sheep says baa baa. Sheep have fluffy wool that keeps them warm. Goat. Goats love to climb and eat almost anything. Horse. Horses run fast and love to gallop in fields. Hen. A hen lays eggs and clucks softly. Duck. The duck says quack quack. Ducks love to swim in ponds. Rooster. The rooster wakes up the farm in the morning. Rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and love to munch on carrots and lettuce. Now, let's explore wild animals that live in jungles, forests, and grasslands. Lion. The lion says roar. The lion has a big fluffy mane and loves to rest under trees in the hot sun. Tiger. The tiger is a big cat that loves to swim and hunt in the jungle. Elephant. The elephant is the biggest land animal. It has a long trunk and big ears. Giraffe. A giraffe has a super long neck. It uses it to eat leaves from the tallest trees. Zebra. Black and white stripes make the zebra special. It runs really fast in the grasslands. Monkey. Monkeys love to swing in trees and eat bananas. They are playful and love to climb. Panda. Pandas are black and white and love to eat bamboo all day long. Bear. Bears love honey and sleep all winter. They have big paws and are strong. Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. It has spots and runs super fast. Leopard. Leopards are sneaky hunters with golden fur and black spots. Gorilla. Gorillas are strong and live in jungles. They love to eat leaves and fruit. Rhinoceros. Rhinos have big horns and thick skin. They love to roll in the mud. Crocodile. Crocodiles have sharp teeth and love to swim in rivers. Hippopotamus. Hippos love to swim in rivers and have big mouths with huge teeth. Kangaroo. Kangaroos carry their babies in a pouch and jump super far. Koala. Koalas sleep all day and love eating eucalyptus leaves in trees. Sloth. Sloths move really slow and love to hang upside down in trees. Meerkat. Meerkats stand on their back legs and look around. They live in big groups. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are smart and can use tools to find food. Hyena. Hyenas make a funny laughing sound when they talk. Now, let's dive deep into the ocean and meet some sea creatures. Jellyfish. Jellyfish float in the ocean with long wiggly tentacles. Whale. The whale is the biggest animal in the ocean and sings songs underwater. Dolphin. Dolphins jump high and love to play together in the sea. Crab. Crabs walk sideways and have big, strong claws. Shark. Sharks have lots of sharp teeth and are great swimmers. Octopus. The octopus has 8 arms and can squirt ink to hide. Clownfish. Clownfish are bright orange and live in sea anemones. Starfish. A starfish has 5 arms and can grow new ones. Seahorse. Seahorses are tiny and swim upright in the ocean. Lobster. Lobsters have big claws and love to hide under rocks. Walrus. Walruses have big tusks and love icy waters. Sea turtle. Sea turtles swim far and lay eggs on sandy beaches. Squid. Squids can squirt ink and swim really fast. Stingray. Stingrays have flat bodies and love to glide in the water. Orca. Orcas are black and white and love to jump in the waves. Now, let's explore the forest, where many amazing animals live among the trees. Fox. Foxes are clever and have fluffy tails. They love to explore the forest at night. Wolf. Wolves howl at the moon and live in packs with their families. Deer. Deer have long legs and love to run fast through the woods. Moose. Moose are the biggest deer and have huge antlers. Raccoon. Raccoons have tiny hands and love to search for food at night. Squirrel. Squirrels climb trees and store nuts to eat later. Hedgehog. Hedgehogs have tiny spikes and roll into a ball when scared. Skunk. Skunks have black and white fur and can spray a smelly scent. Porcupine. Porcupines have sharp quills to protect themselves. Badger. Badgers love to dig tunnels and sleep underground. Otter. Otters love to swim and play in the river. Wild boar. Wild boars have big tusks and love to dig in the dirt. Beaver. Beavers build dams in rivers using sticks and mud. Lynx. Lynxes are wild cats with fluffy ears and sharp eyes. Opossum. Opossums carry their babies on their backs and play dead when scared. Now let's fly high and meet some colorful birds. Parrot. Parrots are smart birds that can copy sounds and talk. Owl. Owls have big eyes and love to fly at night. Eagle. Eagles are strong birds that soar high in the sky. Penguin. Penguins can't fly, but they waddle and swim really well. Flamingo. Flamingos are pink and love to stand on one leg. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds flap their wings super fast and love sweet nectar. Toucan. Toucans have big colorful beaks and love to eat fruit. Peacock. Peacocks have bright, beautiful feathers that they love to show. Canary. Canaries are tiny birds that love to sing cheerful songs. Pigeon. Pigeons can find their way home from far away. Swan. Swans glide on water and have long, graceful necks. Blue jay. Blue jays are bright blue birds that love to chatter. Crow. Crows are smart birds that can solve tricky puzzles. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers tap on trees with their beaks to find bugs. Seagull. Seagulls love to fly near the ocean and eat fish. Now, let's meet some slithery and scaly animals. Snake. Snakes slither on the ground and some can even climb trees. Lizard. Lizards love to sunbathe on warm rocks. Some can change color to hide from danger. Tortoise. Tortoises have hard shells and move very slowly, but they can live for over 100 years. Chameleon. Chameleons can change their colors and have big eyes that move in different directions. Frog. Frogs jump high and love to live near ponds. They start life as tiny tadpoles in the water. Toad. Toads look like frogs, but have bumpy skin and like to live on land. Gecko. Geckos have sticky feet that help them climb walls and ceilings. Salamander. Salamanders are slippery and love to hide under rocks in wet forests. Alligator. Alligators have big teeth and love to float in the water, waiting for food. Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon is the biggest lizard in the world and has a powerful bite. Now let's look at tiny creatures that buzz, crawl, and fly. Butterfly. Butterflies have colorful wings and start life as little caterpillars. Bee. Bees make yummy honey and love to fly from flower to flower. Ant. Ants are tiny but super strong. They work together to build big homes underground. Ladybug. Ladybugs are red with black spots. They love to eat tiny bugs in the garden. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers can jump super high and make chirping sounds by rubbing their legs. Firefly. Fireflies glow in the dark and light up like tiny stars at night. Caterpillar. Caterpillars crawl on leaves and eat a lot before turning into butterflies. Spider. Spiders spin webs to catch insects for food. Dragonfly. Dragonflies have shiny wings and can zip through the air super fast. Snail. Snails carry their homes on their backs and move very slowly. Now let's meet some extra special and super cute animals. Armadillo. Armadillos have hard shells that protect them like armor. Platypus. Platypuses have duck bills, webbed feet, and lay eggs even though they are mammals. Ferret. Ferrets are playful and love to run through tunnels. Tapir. Tapirs look like a mix of a pig and an elephant. They love to swim in rivers. Quokka. Quokkas are small, smiley animals that love to hop around and make people happy. Great job learning about so many amazing animals. Now it's time for a fun quiz. Can you guess the right animal? Let's go. This animal gives us milk and says, moo. Can you guess what it is? It's a cow. Cows live on farms and love to eat grass. This farm animal has a curly tail and loves to roll in the mud. What is it? It's a pig. Pigs use mud to keep cool on hot days. This fluffy animal lives in trees and loves to eat eucalyptus leaves. Do you know what it is? It's a koala. Koalas sleep for most of the day and love to cuddle branches. This wild animal is called the king of the jungle and has a big fluffy mane. Can you guess? It's a lion. Lions live in groups called prides and love to roar loudly. This animal looks like a big dog and howls at the moon. What could it be? It's a wolf. Wolves live in packs and work together to find food. This bird is bright pink and loves to stand on one leg. Can you name it? It's a flamingo. Flamingos get their pink color from the food they eat. This tiny insect buzzes around and makes sweet honey. What is it? It's a bee. Bees help flowers grow by carrying pollen from one to another. This little animal loves to hop and lives near ponds. Can you guess? It's a frog. Frogs start life as tadpoles before growing legs to jump. This smart ocean animal loves to jump and play in the waves. Do you know what it is? It's a dolphin. Dolphins talk to each other using clicks and whistles. This funny animal swings in trees and loves to eat bananas. Can you guess? It's a monkey. Monkeys are super playful and love to climb. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new adventure.